All right, we're live. All right, it's still kind of trying to figure out the Roblox here. Damn, that has the wrong icon, doesn't it? Do I seriously have... You might have skipped that, I don't know. Nope, okay. Say, why is this not updating? Okay, so apparently I did not have the image right there. Let's see. Channels, mountains code branding, and... No, game production files maybe. Need a fire. Stream thumbnail. There we go. Alright. Alright. Dance, 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 dance. I love this song. Alright, welcome back. Project Time, which is, you know, the only guy we've got around right now, so hello, hello. I'm targeting my welcome to you. Do you feel appreciated? Okay, so this is the tester UI I made last time. I'm gonna rename this to admin UI. Possibly remove the GUI at some point, but who knows. And then we're gonna move these options up here because honestly, I'm just gonna have one frame for this. Oh yeah, the deciding frame needs to go as well. Actually, you know what? Let's just remove the things inside the deciding frame. And then just put a corner on this thing. It's entirely white, so make like 0.7 or something like that. Not that. Okay, 0.6 maybe? Is that the same white? What are these? 0.4? Alright, we'll put this at 0.4. Remove the reload button because I don't see a need for that. Make this button a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's difficult outrunning the static time ads, my friend. Oh, you know, yesterday I ran a 5 kilometer, and I haven't ran that far in like years. So that's great. I just realized that I wrote abuse is recorded and will be acted upon. I don't have a logging system for that yet. It's probably fine, right? I could log all actions inside of Discord, but I feel like that would get frowned upon by Discord. I wonder. Hold on. Is it against Discord TOS to use web hooks for logging? Okay. So that's a no-go, apparently. They're not allowing that. Coolio. Cheerio, old Chapman. So I don't know what kind of stuff I want to add right now. I'm thinking, first of all, we're gonna add two different things. We're gonna add info frame right on this side over here, and then we're gonna add another, like, what do you call it? We're gonna add a list over here. I'm not adding the gun. How do I change this thing? It was convert, and then convert it into a scrolling frame. Well, man, I mean, I want this game to get out at some point. I can't keep adding shit. I'm getting really fucking tired of just adding shit. It's becoming a bit of a problem, actually. Shut up. I want to do more, but I'm just not in the mood, man. Not in the mood. I put out a YouTube video, though. I'm not sure if you saw it. A few, actually. I put out the coding your weirdest Roblox ideas, that one. I've released part 3 of that one. I'm a little bit confused here. Where do I choose the color of the scrolling thing? Right there. I'm just blind, it's fine. I'm not really playing Minecraft at the moment. As I said, I don't really have time. I'm not sure if you know this, but I bought myself another car. It's a used car. It's a broken car, and I need to fix it. And it's a big project of mine, and I'm really enjoying it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the Minecraft series. I will be picking it back up again. But look at this thing. This is the thing I bought. It's a very old Opel Astra. And it was sitting on that grass. So the rotors are kind of broken. I don't know, project. I don't know. But the car can't start at the moment, and that's very intriguing to me, because, I mean, I have a thing for projects, I guess. Projects that I don't know if I can fix or not. No, I know, but you should probably touch some at some point, right? So, you know, get used to it. Well, it's poisonous to literally nobody. Well, there might be exceptions, you know. Some people are. Oh. You know what? I should actually have made this a button right here. Hold on. I'll make this into a button. And then we remove the button on it. And then we put a text label inside. It's like centered and like 0.9 in size. Transparent. Vertical 1. And it's just a sample text. Just put a stroke on this thing. And the text needs to be white. There you go. Okay, I need to make this a little bit smaller, so it's like 0.9 instead. 0.95 maybe? There you go. I'm not sure about what I need to do about centering it here. I can probably center it right there so it sits in the middle, but from top down, there's nothing I can do. Oh, well, I should probably do something about that. Clip the sentence. There you go. That's better. Yeah, yeet! Just leaves. Tomorrow. And then I can have like a bunch of these. Oh, and by the way, project, I'm actually putting up videos of me fixing that car. Or, well, trying to. So if you're interested, I can send you a DM with the next channel that, like, it's a different channel because it's obviously a different subject and everything. If you're interested, I can send you the link for it. Haha! Close enough, close enough. I actually went a little bit broader this time. What the fuck? Sample. Sample.
Hey you, don't you worry about a thing. Oh no,
Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna have just a giant frame in the background. Make it transparent. And then I'm gonna add stuff like for example, right? I'm gonna call this kick, okay? And then we're gonna add the text. Actually, why am I configuring a text? Why don't I just go in and grab this one? You're going to leave the stream for 6-7 years. See ya, aka 40 minutes I'll be gone for. Sure, go for it. We do like this, and we say like,
Velkommen til The Corner, Zalandos nye streetwear-univers. I denne podcast...
And then I can add like mods, testers, and we call this the dynamic
10 gæster, rå
rank,
samtaler, uventede møder. Det kommer. Lyt med der, hvor du hører
label.
dine podcasts.
Duplicating this down.
There's a beauty in the way you're worn, and the sharpness of your thorns, so vibrant in the imperfections. In the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold that severed heart. The pieces feel so cold. All the tears won't bring it back to life. But hate will always grow. There's a beauty in the way you lay, and the way your color fades. You stand out now with your imperfections. Oh, it was never meant to fall apart. It was not supposed to cause us harm. But these days, all I do is wonder, is it about another we could start again? 'Cause in the pain there's something real, all that anger so concealed. Still you're lost in how to feel, just let me hold that severed heart. The pieces feel so cold. All the tears won't bring it back
Should probably create the right thing here. Hold on, let me see. Do I have that ticket open? I do not. Admin UI is still over there on the left. There we go. So now it's in progress. So you see, there you go. There you go. Ask me something so I don't get bored. That's what I want to say on there. I don't have to make the buttons. They would be repetitive, but the pages here, I'm gonna have to make them each and every one of them. Hello there. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back, I should say. No, you're good. I've just been working on this. I haven't really gotten all that much further. Ah, yikes. There we go. Yeah, thank you. So, we've got the kick, we've got the... what's the next one? Ban, right? Can't really mute them. Okay, hold on. For this, I actually need some documentation. Roblox ban system. Ban async. There you go. Enable Boolean. Right. You're taking a break? What do you mean a break? On streaming or on what? Oh, I'm making a game? Because some people are naughty and not nice. And honestly, I'd rather ban them than I would, like, if I see some people that I really, like, you know, they're cheating in the game or something, I'll just get rid of them.
Makes me nauseous, losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious.
Well, we'll see, okay? We'll see. I'm not sure about letting you ban people right now. Oh, here you go. So you can do user IDs, duration, reason, exclude all accounts. Okay.
Makes me nauseous, losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. I go back to default. I go back to
Okay, so I need a few different inputs for this one. Like the username doesn't have to be that big. Or maybe, yeah, no, actually it does. Just doesn't need to be that tall. I mean, probably should go back and do that for the other one as well. Well, I mean, I'm not... It's mostly for me, Albert. Me and moderators. And you're forgetting it's my game. I mean, I can make whoever I want able to use this ability. You already know it ain't you, though, Albert. You already know that. No, yeah, see, I answered your question before you even wrote the message. It's not gonna happen. Sure. I don't condone it, Albert, and I will sue your ass if you do it, but go for it. I don't understand why you're here to just annoy me. It really does. I don't like it. And then I move this down here. Actually, no, hold on. Depends, actually. Hold on. I need to change this to a frame.
If you catch my drift.
Dun, dun, dun.
If you catch my drift.
Dun, dun. There you go. Just became a lot more quiet. Yeah, well, Rasan, I would love to add all that, but honestly, I don't care enough. I just want a way for people to ban people for, let's see, a day, a week, a month, and forever. So that's the options I'm adding. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah? What about... What about... You write a time next to it. Like, what do you mean? Do you have a more in-depth explanation of it? By chance? Hold on, I'm just putting this back where it belongs. Ooh. Nope. Fair enough, some people do. You don't have to be great at everything. A wheel? You know, if you want to send me a screenshot of some explanation, I'll try and understand it better. Because when you say a wheel, I'm like thinking... Hold on. I'm thinking this wheel right here. So like, look at this. You spin a wheel and then someone gets banned for 1 day, a week, a month, forever. Up to the wheel. Well, it depends on the wheel, huh? Looking for the word? Try and look it up on Google. That usually helps me. Alright. But you know what? You actually had a pretty good idea with seeing how many times they've been banned before. Okay, we have ban, we have kick. You know, the next one I need is increment. Actually, what do we call this? Economy. You forgot how to make GUIs. Just look at my screen. Look at my screen. Yeah? Yeah, well, I mean, I am actively making GUIs, so might as well, right? Ooh, you know what I can do? I can take this thing and paste it into this thing, and I'll call this thing frame. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay. Yeah, scrolling frame makes sense, but I think I was looking for something more horizontal. So then again, like, I only needed 4 buttons. If I had need for like, if I had a need for like 100 different days, individual days, then I'd probably do that. Whoa. Oh, I know what you mean. So like you, yeah. So you can have 7 forevers. English is making you cry? Well, I mean, that makes 2 of us.
Velkommen til The Corner,
Fedt.
Zalandos nye streetwear-univers. I denne podcast mødes mode, musik og kunst uden filter. 5 episoder, 10 gæster, rå samtaler, uventede møder. The Corner. Lyt med der, hvor du hører dine podcasts.
All the barricades, I wanna know why they hold me back. Need a miracle to break me through, but I won't get back. If there was a real wonder, then I could save me from turning around. Lift me off the ground and walk.
You have no ideas? What are you, builder or scripter? I forgot. This is not something I usually remember. My brain is not good at it. Builder? Do you want to make a map? 230, so that's plus if you want to, yes. If not, then you can go ahead and make a giant tree on an island with a plane stuck in the tree. Yeah. And what else can I apply this to? I can apply it to level experience. Well, it is, for it to be added to the game, a certain quality is required. So I'm sorry, but I mean, was the one? Oh, you're not. Hold on. Let me turn down this music. I can't think with it. I mean, do you know Project Time, the other guy that's in here all the way, all the time? So, he also made a map for me that was basically a copy paste of my old, yeah, maybe. It was basically a copy paste of my old map for Titan's Turmoil, a game I made. And though the idea was good, the execution was less than great. Now, I don't entirely remember your build. Hold on. Something for fun? Okay, okay. In that case, make a... Let's see. Try to build a tank. Like, not a functional one by any means, but like something you would see standing in the middle of an FPS map, right? Make a tank. Yeah, exactly. More practice. Go for it. What other values can you increment on this stupid ass game? None that matter. Okay. No, wins. Right. 28. Trophies? I don't think I have those. Give a man. What are you doing? I need some kind of confirmation frame for this thing. This is heavy. Oh yeah, thanks. Spent the entire last stream on it. And I'm pretty sure the stream before it as well, so it better be. Oh boy. Look at the transformation frame. Yes! Are you sure this action? Confirm cancel. Yes, it's beautiful. You ain't building a tank? You don't want to build a tank? Who doesn't want to build a tank? Okay, if you want to try scripting, I'd suggest try building an obby and then building waypoints. The waypoints is, in my opinion, pretty easy. Actually, as a matter of fact, hold on. Let me just save this so I don't accidentally do something stupid. Hold on, let me just head over to something real quick. You already tried that, but did it work, though? Did you succeed? Well, you're supposed to save it to a data store. Look at this. Oh, did I disable this? I might have. No, actually, hold on. See, so it has a. Oh my goodness. It's a pretty simple obby. I asked someone else to build it for me. Well, I paid them to. And then the little twist to this one is that you can basically, phew, and then make shit go away. And then I have a shop on the left. Ah! Ah! Okay. I'm not getting over that. But you can see the anti-cheat is going off. I don't think I ever fixed the anti-cheat on that one. Different biomes? Oh man, you're Minecrafting. Cool. Okay, it's at the top because it started with an A. Use your eyes. Okay, so I need a few more buttons on this thing. Like, this is a full reset of the player. What else? There's probably some lighter ones. Like, these are still extreme verdicts. Like, they're a little bit nuts compared to the rest of them. So this one is gonna be. Let's. try and make these look a little bit more natural, I guess. Take these, pull them down a little bit. And then I'm gonna grab this thing, put it in here and say, oh shit, I forgot to open my chat again. Ha 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 ha! Yeah, the full series is a bit long. Though I would appreciate the watch time. Well, what do you mean? Oh, it's randomly picked map. It is a dynamic system, so all maps will be selected at some point. Like, it goes by points. And every single time a map is selected, the points for that map is reset to a certain value, but the value for all other maps keeps rising. And the higher the value, the higher the chance for it to be picked. Yeah, do that. Actually, sure. Yeah, why not? When I suddenly get 7 hours of watch time on a 7-hour stream, I'll be happy. Open. I bet you this bitch said ocean the other day. Never mind. Alright. So this is the economy tab. Is that it? Welcome back, Project Sam. Actually, as a matter of fact, now that you're here, I'm leaving. Actually, you know what, Project Time? Do you know what you have perfectly returned for? Like, almost to the fucking minute. Do you want to give a guess? Yeah! Get ready for it. You don't think you'll get it? 6 cents. Oh, Geometry Dash. Loving it. I don't get anything from the ads, almost nothing. I run the ads to avoid pre-roll ads. It's so that people can more freely jump between the streams without having the problem of having to watch an ad every time they enter my stream. I better enjoy the 5 cents. Dude, listen, not even. Look at this. Hold on. Let me show you my income from this, okay? Hold on, let me find it. Let me show you my income. There you go. Actually, let me click this so you can see all time. Okay, look at this. I've made 25 cents. Don't think I'm doing the ads for the money here, okay? Because if you think I'm doing it for the money, you're a little bit off to the side. What do you mean bank account? Do you want to get my? Do you want to have my bank details? If you want to donate, you can do it in bits. Oh boy. Okay, so we've got everything that I need to start coding, but I don't want to start coding. I feel a little insecure about this system because it's. I don't want it to make. I'm sorry. Who's Dutch? I'm not Dutch. I'm not Dutch, man. I have never been Dutch. Yeah, Denmark. That's not the Netherlands, my friend. That doesn't make me Dutch. That makes me Danish. Yeah, I'm offended because this dude's known me for like 2 years. And I keep telling him I'm Danish. And then he's like, oh yeah, no, he's Dutch. What the fuck, dude? I don't know what you are because I don't keep asking you where you're from. I feel like I would... Listen, I'm pretty sure you're underage and I don't feel comfortable asking you all the time what your name is and where you're from. I feel like that could be misunderstood. Yeah. Can you just tell me that you're like 25 or something and I'm talking to someone older than me? Europe is Europe? Fuck you. Europe's not Europe. You are aware that a part of Europe tried taking over the world and the other part of Europe tried not taking over the world, right? That's kind of... Oh, look at that. There's a bot. Let's see, report. I can report him for terrorism. Hold on. No, we're at it. Spam, and it's a bot. There we go. Posted some ad link in my chat. There we go. You're 5'11"? Well, that's your height, not your age. If you're 511 years old, I'm pretty sure you're pretty damn cooked. Or, you know, as us, this generation like to say, you're pretty fucked. Yo, guys. My editor just sent me my new video, my new short. Okay, hold on. Tiny. Well, he's tiny depending on the age. Listen, if he's like 14 and 9, I think he's good. Well, I mean, I have an editor because I paid him just for the fun of it. I wanted to see what if he could edit it better than I could. And I kind of want to see what the retention does and, you know, kind of have something to compare it with, right? Hold on, let me start it. So this guy wants me to re-anchor parts whenever you press Y. And that is actually pretty simple. There we go. Okay, yeah, no, that's definitely anchored. I don't know about that. Okay, I've got a few notes. Hold on. There we go. I sent him my notes. Yeah, well, I mean, could you? Do you edit stuff? Because honestly, man, I can't produce a fuck ton of... I have not seen your edits, my friend. I have not. But I'm not looking for, like, someone to make... like, you know, CSGO edits for me. I'm looking for something like... I mean... I have, like, 4 YouTube channels that all make... No, 3. Hold on. 3 of them? That all make different content for. I'm not very active on them, granted, but still. I have not seen edits. Actually, you haven't made an edit. Well, that's why I haven't seen your edits then. That tracks, right? Baseball, huh? Let's see. My brain is doing the thing where it doesn't work. Hold on, actually, there's a thing down here. Like this right here. You know what? I'm gonna copy this entire script. I'm gonna make a new file called admin.lua. Paste it in here. Remove all of this. Martin's dog. I mean, I don't got a dog yet. You can clip me. Listen, if you can get any good clips out of my streams, I applaud you. If you do, man, go ahead and send them to me. I might as well put them up on the YouTube channel. If you have some way, No, I can't. Only time I clipped someone is when I slept. You don't know how to? Well, man. There's a button in the bottom right called clip. No, don't make a clip of me. Time you are aware that this gets saved, right? It gets saved. Please. Leave me be. Or, well, not leave me be, but you know what I mean. Be nice. Hold on, let me just get up something. Well, I mean, I asked for clips of good stuff. Like, I don't want random shit. Guys, I'm getting super tired. I don't know, I might just head to bed. Oh, you know what? You know what, that's actually kind of funny, yeah. But I don't know if you can clip ads. Oh, Rasan, you bitch! That is cruel. That is cruel. You know what, Project Time? Send me a clip of me saying that. You know, saying welcome back, because I know what I can do with it. I can go get myself a clip of Raid Shadow Legends, and I can just A-roll the clip and then B-roll the Raid Shadow Legends at the end. That would be funny as shit. Do that. Oh no. No. Don't clip me saying bitch. Raid Shadow Legends. I feel like that's epic. Oh, honestly, I might do an ad for honey. You know? Yeah, honey, exactly. You know what I'm talking about. I know it was a scam. That's the point. That's what I mean. Okay, so I'm kind of wondering here. Do I store data on the server? Nah, I'm hard coding this shit. I don't need to save it on the server. 2 of these are admin, 1 of them aren't. Of course I know it was a scam. I mean, it wouldn't be funny to say it otherwise. Like, you know, oh, I'll just do an ad for Manscaped. I mean, that doesn't really... Well, I mean, would be kind of ironic seeing as you can't see my face. How would Manscaped help you there, huh? Huh? I'm not setting up a crotch cam, I can tell you that much. Oh, Mooka fan, thank you for following, and I'm very sorry for you coming in at that time. It was bad timing. Okay, so I'm kind of trying to figure out here what exactly I've done. Hello. Hey, I can do those too. Hold on. Well, let's see. Let's see how she pronounces this. She knows how to do it. Oh, shit. Okay, so where are the things? They're up here. Okay, so I've got ban, economy, and kick. The only one that's really available to anyone else is going to be kick. Every time? Man, I mean, I've done it once. I feel like every time is an exaggeration, my friend. A little bit exaggerated, don't you think? Haha! No. Hold on a minute. You, my friend, are lying through your teeth. I deny it. What do I want you to do? Not, you know, stop talking about it. Yeah, that's good. Ah, my legs. They hurt so bad. Okay. I should probably do something, right? I should probably be working on the game. So where's the objects thing? It's up here. So we're gonna say... Alright, what are we gonna go get first? So what works and what doesn't work? Everything doesn't work at the moment. Let's open this up. So the list on the left, we should probably set that up, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say where is it? It's inside of info frames, right? Yeah. Cool, okay. So now that I have all three of them, I'm not sure. Like I'm using Rojo, that's for sure, but the Lua thing, I don't think so. You know, I read your name, Wait for Child, and I instantly just thought, why is that in my code? Oh, the Lua LSP companion plugin? I don't know. Like, it rings a bell. It rings a bell, but I'm not certain. Ads, hold on. We don't like those here. We only like them when time's alone in here. When time's alone in here, we can play ads. Time, I'm pretty sure you're my main source of income here. Like, I make 25 cents every 3 months, but still.
Velkommen til The Corner, Zalandos nye streetwear-univers. I denne podcast mødes mode, musik og kunst uden filter. 5 episoder, 10 gæster, rå samtaler, uventede møder.
So it's a language server.
Lyt med der, hvor du hører dine podcasts.
Oh, well, I don't really need that. I understand that it's efficient, but I don't need that because I've already got synchronization from VS Code over into, well, Roblox. And honestly, I've already made my workflow around. I've already made my workflow around it, but I appreciate the suggestion. My code usually gets pretty fucky when I start synchronizing both ways. Hours. I think you misspelled that a little bit, Project Time. You want to try that again? And yeah, Wait for Child, I understand what you're saying, but I'm currently I'm a little bit worried what's gonna happen if it starts synchronizing from VS Code to Roblox and then from Roblox to VS Code, and then it just continues going like that. Like, I do you have any experience with that? Like Rojo, this little motherfucker right here. Do you have any experience with that guy? Because I feel like he's gonna mess up your day if you do that. But hey, if you have some good experience with it, please do tell me, because it's yeah. I use nothing but Rojo, honestly. I have a few language servers here and there, and I don't even remember downloading these container tools, but yeah, I have a few things. I have Atlassian as well. What do you mean? I genuinely just swear it's me. I mean, usually I try not to, but I mean, I can't help it. My vocabulary gets challenged a few times a minute, and my way of dealing with it is like inserting a swear word in the middle of it. Let's see. I need to remove like 2 different things. So if I go into the info frames, I say ban, and we destroy that one. And we say info frames dot economy destroy, like so. If is admin, then do this. Else. Yeah, sure. And then set up general. Actually, you know what? Let's just set up general right here. Pop it above it. And then we're gonna say sub general. Oh yeah, like an entire an entire montage of me just saying fuck. There's another one for it. You want to make a montage of it? Sure. Just remember to put my my Twitch in the description. and don't forget to tell them about my streaming schedule. Okay? Tell them about my streaming schedule. They'll probably be very intrigued by that. I don't want tester actually. Is mod. Do I actually have a moderator role in the group? Every 7 weeks. Fuck you. Fuck you so bad. No, not every 7 weeks. Whenever I feel like it. Like that. You know, I actually avoided a swear word there. You said I couldn't. I did. There you go. Hold up a second. I'm gonna find some stuff here. Roles. See, these are the roles I have. This developer, admin, tester. Remember, I'm creating a new one. Moderator. The rank is gonna be, actually, I don't know which rank it's gonna be. Hold on, it's gonna be above tester, so it needs to be 20. I'm not adding it to tester. The testers also have special privileges, just saying. Project Time is currently the only tester if my memory doesn't fail me. There's no testers, apparently. Project Time, are you not in my group? How's it get admin? Well, nobody in here is getting admin, I can tell you that much. I have trust issues, man. You can't just expect me to give you admin. Well, Rasan, you can test the game if you're a tester or not. You just don't have access to the tester functions. The game is in the description, my friend. Alright, I'm getting sidetracked. Hold on, I'm trying to wrap my head around something here. Do I have to go through all these people to assign you a role? I don't think so, right? That's not how this works. Oh, hold on, here we go. Project, what's your Roblox name? I forgot. Unless, of course, you're not in here. Yeah, what is it? Say it out loud. Tell everyone in the chat. So they can send you a friend request and give you a smooch on the lips. Yeah, I know you're in here, but how the fuck am I supposed to find you if you don't tell me? I'm not going through, like, I don't know how many pages of this. Do you see how many pages? Do you see it? Do you want me to go through every one and look for you? I'm not done yet. I'm going to the end. Look at this. Do you want me to look through this? Just tell me your name. Come on, do it. It's still going. I mean, nice, but shit. Am I doxing a lot of people right now? Not really, right? Like there's public information. I'm at 100 pages right now. How many are 3 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6 is that's 15, 18 per page. And I'm at 100, so that's 1,800 already. Then again, you know what? I'll do it myself. And I clicked the wrong button. Perfect. Hold on, I'm doxing you. Give me a second. There you go. Everyone go friend him. He deserves it. He didn't give me his name. Alright, there you go. You're officially a testicle. Yeah, I could name it that, though. I could name it that. It's above 20. That's the one I gave it. And if not, is tester. Actually, you know what? Hold on, let me remove this general check down here and say general check. If not, is mod. Then the menu will just disappear, right? Okay, cool. Well, I mean, 42,000 Robux has been made off the games, but I poured in like 70,000. It's not like I've made any money off of it yet. Like, I'm hoping this one's to turn the tide. Hopefully. It's a lot more complicated than the other ones, and it will be more quality tested than the other ones as well. Okay. My mind is going through a few scenarios right now, but the one where it generates the list is probably the best one. And the X is for the testers, and C is gonna be for admin toggle, like so. I'm gonna search tester. Toggle admin, that's what it's called, right? Admin, yeah. Mod menu list. So what I'm gonna do is gonna say local mod menu button sample equals mod menu list dot sample, and then we're gonna say sample dot parent equals script. And then we're going through for underscore name in, or sorry, item menu, mod menu in. As a matter of fact, let me just check my chat. Someone's definitely written something. I mean, do they? Do I have testers in my Discord server that I have totally forgotten about? I have abandoned them at the gates. Manage message and pin messages and our separate. Something flew in my mouth. Let's see, tester, game tester. Yes, I actually have two. Hold on. Oh, that's my girlfriend. I'm pretty sure that. Yeah. Baseball, huh? Oh boy. And she's only in there because I wanted to test a few systems with her on Discord, but nothing really came of it. Children do if mod menu is a, and then we're checking the class of it. It should probably be a frame, right? Then continue, and we need to say if not, like so. It's a little late for that, don't you think? Also, Rasan, I don't know. I'm not into long distance. Thank you very much for offering, though. I drive enough as it is. I can't really cross any land borders here. Oh yeah, no, me neither. Also, girlfriend kind of implies girl. You know, it would be a boyfriend otherwise. Which, once again, no.
Velkommen til The Corner, Zalandos nye streetwear-univers. I denne podcast mødes mode, musik og kunst uden filter. 5 episoder, 10 gæster, rå samtaler, uventede møder. The Corner. Lyt med der, hvor du hører dine podcasts.
Oh, and now we're making a function. Hold on. We're putting it below the general check. We're saying local function. Open mod menu. Menu name is a string. And then we need dynamic variables. We say open mod menu equals nil. It will be a text or it will be nothing. Yeah, you guys drive a lot and your gas is cheap and shit, but our gas ain't cheap and driving a long way can really suck for us. I don't even know how you drive that far. What do you mean you can't find my group? Like my Roblox one? I'll send it to you. You know, I'm posting it to both these things. About 13. Hold on. Let me do some math here. So we're doing it from Danish crowns to USD. We're saying 13.89 or something like that, and that's per liter. So that's the price per liter, and a gallon is like... Oh, shit. So let's say 1 gallon is equal to that. So if I take that and put it into a calculator... Oh shit, nope, that's wrong. Dude, that's super cheap. That's like a fourth of our price or something. But then again, remember, our countries are tiny. If they need to make any money off the gas, they might need to be at that price range. Dude, can you send some gas over? I need some for next week. You know, just don't send the gas and the oil in the same shipment. I feel like the American toll booth agents are gonna be sniffing that out, you know? Don't send it by the barrel, send it by the bag. Like, you know, just put it into those small Ziploc bags you get in IKEA and send them over the border. Yeah. And if they ask what's in it, just say meth. They won't open it then. I can't pay anyone 25 cents to watch ads. I mean, what the fuck? How much gas am I gonna buy for that, huh? Do the math yourself, okay? Be a good boy and do the maths. Yeah? Tell me how much. How much gas can I get for that? Nothing, right? Yeah, nothing. Zero, zilch. Less than that. I might actually need to get, like, I might actually lose more gas driving to the gas station than what I can get for 25 cents. That's a lie. I could probably get, no, it's about right. 25 cents is like, yeah, it's about right. Alright, open mod menu. I mean, I am coding for a game. Currently it's just a lot of admin GUI and shit like that. It's some of the final stuff that I'm making. I have a little board, and you can see most of the stuff is on the right, and of course we've also got some older tickets that are almost all done. So the ticket board is looking pretty good. But yeah, so it is all going to a game. Let me just dock this over here again. So if I go and get the open menu thing. Oh, it will immediately return here, by the way. Let's say that I don't see a reason for doing this anymore. I just realized that this is stupid. I should just do this. And then immediately do menu name visible equals true, and then we're saying current open mod name equals menu name, and then we need a debounce for this. Local toggle debounce equals false or debounce. Toggle equals true, and then we're setting it to false. So that's gonna be the debounce. Cool. I should be able to just fire this one in here, and then set the new button dot name like so. Or actually, you know what? The name equals. Yeah, sure. Yeah, the test GUI works, the other one doesn't. Oh, that's because, oh, yeah, right. Some idiot forgot to turn on Rojo. Yeah, some dumbass. I don't know his name, but when I find him, I will, likely do nothing. Aha! Tricked ya. Yep, that guy. Total dumbass. I heard anyways. Okay, so I should probably save this before I do anything stupid, because I would be sad if I lost anything. Actually, no. Suicide is not a great... No. Yes, actually, Project Time, I'm pretty sure it was you. Now that you mention it. Yeah, looks about right. Torture. Okay, I get it. Be a very bad person. See, look, it's opening, but it's not doing shit. Okay, hold on. Let me try that again.
Og kunst uden filter. 5 episoder, 10 gæster, rå samtaler, uventede møder. The Corner. Lyt med der, hvor du hører dine podcasts.
Oh, info frames. There you go. Especially the dog. No, that's like, I don't want to get John Wick on me. Yeah, look at that. Oh, shit. Should probably change the text in there. Yeah, there's a text label in there. I was wondering. It's American code. I mean, I don't know about American code. It's more John Wick. Look at this. They're already crashing. Awesome. Kickstart value. Well, that's because I forgot to name the things, I think. Be grateful he has mercy. The buttons aren't great, okay? The buttons aren't great, but I didn't code them to be great. I coded them to be working. Well, I know, but I really don't want to spend too much time on this. Celeste, by the way, welcome to the stream. I know that I need to think more about, you know, make it look nice, but honestly, this looks a lot nicer than the admin UI I made for some other games. So this is already a huge step up. Like, look at some of the other. Hold on, let me show you some of the other stuff I made. Well, the stuff in the background, that's for one. But then if I open up the dailies, you know, it's a lot better. It's a lot more user friendly. There's the leaderboard. There's the levels. Pets. And so on and so forth, right? This one's really just for... Yeah, thank you. This is really just for me and one other person, maybe. I know a guy that I would trust with this, this permission, actually. Damn, okay. Yeah, I do know a guy I trust with that permission. Two, actually. That's weird. I just noticed I didn't have as deep trust issues as I thought I had. Oh, no, definitely not. I'm sorry, I'm not giving you admin permissions. I've had a few people I've known for quite a while, and I'd probably trust them with the permission. Project, you probably know one of them. Actually, no, you definitely know one of them. You don't know the other one. I don't think I've introduced you to him. Oh, yeah, right, that's the reason. Right, yeah, not because you're some dude I met in this Twitch stream like a few weeks ago. Spoken exclusively over chats. Perfect. Very good. Damn it, Silesh, you have made me think. Now I want to do the padding. Fuck. Damn you. I hate people. Ah. You want... Oh, no, that is like the last thing I want you to do. If you stayed the fuck away, that would probably be better. I'm very sorry about that. That was a sneeze. World class one at that. Put it on top and put it down a little bit. Look at that. Better? No, I don't want to fly over to Denmark. I won't. Never. Well, let's not say never. What I'm packing? You know what I'm packing? I'm packing a baseball bat. And a fake gun. Fake. Remember, it's fake. It's an airsoft gun, but it still does fire with CO2 pellets, so it hits. It hurts. Okay, if I hit you in let's say the ear or something, I could probably. No, the eye. I can definitely cause permanent damage on that one. So you know, stay the fuck away. Oh! The power of airsoft compels you. No. I'm not saving the mainframe. I'm saving the menus. You're already blind? I mean, it's still gonna hurt like a motherfucker then. Yeah, fake one. I know you're American, shut up. There you go. It's a bit of padding, it's not much. I can actually make the button smaller and make it even better looking, I think. This was what I was trying to avoid, you know, over engineering these things. 0.98, let's put it like that. Making it, what about 9.6? And we're making it a little bit more like that. We push it 0.02 into the center, there we go. Put it in the middle. And top and bottom, we're taking off like... You want to parry a bullet? Try airsoft bullets first, then you'll realize it's not possible. You know, try with airsoft first so you can actually try a second time afterwards. Imagine going up and be like, oh yeah, I can parry a bullet, and then you're just like, oh, well, I guess I couldn't. Then depending on the people that shot you, you might get shot again, you know, if it was the cops. But if it's the, if you're getting shot by some gangbanger, he probably wants to conserve ammo, so he's just gonna go over and kick you in the face, and I don't know. You know, when the cops decide that you're a threat to society, your bones are quite strong. Not strong enough, my friend. If I shot you with a bullet, you would still break your bones. Okay, I can summon the admin GY, I can also do other stuff, but what if I set a number that is unbelievably high? Let's say, for the mod, I set it at 2000 instead of 20, right? Which, it doesn't exist, by the way, it's just high. Then I can't open it, okay? I can open the test UI, I can't open the other one. So that one's entirely gone. That's really, really good. Makes no errors or anything, so let's put that back down to 20. But 1,500. Just bones. See, I can only do kick because I have the other one. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so that is actually what we're gonna leave off on today. There we go. And we're going to save that, and I'm going to thank you very much for watching the stream. It's been a pleasure, and I will see you, according to Project Time, I'll see you in 7 weeks. According to me, you'll see me whenever I've got time again, which will probably be a week or two. Alright, see you guys.